me, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Can we please stop telling children between the ages of like 1 to like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, they have little boyfriends or girlfriends? I don't think it's anything cute about that. One day my 4-year-old nephew, he is Spider-Man or he is Iron Man, but my nephew is nobody's boyfriend. I think that's putting out the wrong idea. I feel like you telling a child at a very young age that, oh, that's your boyfriend or that's your girlfriend, it just fucks with them. Like, I don't think any child should be focused on a relationship. Children should be children. They should be focusing on what Halloween costume they want, what they want to be when they grow up, tell you that they want to be like, oh, I want to be a dinosaur. Like, I feel like that's what children need to be focusing on. So why do we tell children like, oh, look at your little boyfriend, oh, look at your little girlfriend, and then when they start to get older and start showing interest in a boy or a girl, oh, they fast and ass. But that's what you instilled in your child. Like I said, my 4-year-old nephew is nobody's boyfriend. He's 4. Like I said, one day he's Iron Man or Spider-Man. My nephew is none of those, nobody's boyfriend. He's a fictional character, he has an imagination. So let's stop pursuing the boyfriend-girlfriend thing on children and let's make them be kids. Because, you know, kids are kids. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Until next time, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.